Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So I have a few packages or Happy Mail that will be arriving. The first one I have here is one from TheCoffeeMonsterzCo. So I don't know why I've only recently discovered her shop, but I've also discovered her YouTube videos, and it made me want all of the emojis. And she had a Misfit sale about a couple weeks ago, and she you basically need ninja fingers to be able to get the Misfits, but I'll show you guys what I got in my order. First, this was the July freebie. So you've got barbecuing, independent, sweat. Ooh, yeah, I could use that. And this one, going to the mall and going out to the cafe. I love that. And then even the TCMC is a sticker. So that is the first one. And then in here, I have a couple of things. I ordered a few things first, and then I also managed to get my hands on a Misfit bag. So I will go through these separately. The first thing, I'm gonna zoom in. The first thing I got was this school gear bucket list. So this is gonna be really good now because my kids are going to be in grade 1 and grade 5. So Henry will be on the same bus as Robin, and they'll both have the same first day of school. So it'll be nice to be able to use these and know that I don't need separate stickers for my kids. I can use all of these pretty much at the same time. That's the first one. The second one is the mini desk mode. Ooh, and I like that they're all different. So these will fit really, really well in my hemlock and oak. So this one's a planning one. Oh, this will be good for shop orders, for reading. I love that there's different ones. How cute. The next one is my weightlifting. I just love the look of these, and I will definitely be adding these to my weekly spreads. And then Happy Mail emojis, which I will be pretty much using these immediately as soon as I get Happy Mail. The more that I use my planner and the more emojis that I use on a day-to-day basis, I think now I need an emoji for this and I need an emoji for this. And this one is a strolling emoji, so when we go on walks, this will be really, really nice. And then the travel emoji, so when we can finally start traveling again. And I like that she offers the emojis in like a large size, a medium, and this mini. So you've got with the luggage, the backpack, there with the passport, road trip. So I really do enjoy these. Next is the sleepy emoji. The reason that I bought these is because, you know, for days that I'm feeling tired or for a day that I want to sleep in, these are actually really good for that. And then these ones were from her newest releases. Let's move that out of the way. So they're doodle checkboxes, one for workout, which I will use every week, and then one for relax. So I love that this is a reminder for me to make sure, and I like to be able to check the box that I have relaxed. And these come in, I think there's 3 other ones that you can get this in, but these are the 2 that I chose. And then every order comes with a bean card, and this one was signed by Mama Tater, so thank you for that. And this one says, pastry a day keeps the hate away. Like, that is the perfect journaling card for me. Perfect. So the next thing we're gonna get into is the Misfit bag. This is the first Misfit bag that I've ever purchased. So you get 10 sheets for, I think it was $14 US. So literally less than, like, you get these at 50% off. So this one was the fall emoji. I'm just gonna zoom in here and just try to see where the Misfit is. And to be honest, I can't really see where the Misfit is. Like, these look great to me. I don't see any problem with these whatsoever. Then the next one, put this up here, is the weekly emoji sampler for self-care. So you've got, looks like there's work, reading, coffee, tea, not today. I really like that. Emoji heads, oh, love that. And I honestly can't see anything wrong with these, but I love getting the emoji heads. Oh my gosh, I was gonna buy these as well, and I'm glad that I waited for the Misfits. I'm trying to look closer to see if there is anything. I can't see anything wrong with them. I really can't. Maybe they're not cut as close. I don't know, but these are cute. Writing emojis. Oh, look, the coffee is spilled on them. I honestly cannot see anything wrong with these. Love that. Drinking emojis.
No, I don't have this one yet. I'm like, do I have this one yet? No. I think maybe the only thing wrong with it was that it was just cut off at the bottom, but honestly, love that. Coffee lovers emojis. Perfect for me. Instagram emoji, or Instagram. Really cute. Piggy bank, good for saving, which reminds me I should be saving. And then working emoji for the summer. I feel like these 10 sheets that were chosen for me, well, I don't think they were chosen for me, but the bag that I got works perfectly for me and would have been exactly what I would have chosen. That is my order for the Coffee Monsters Co. Like, I think I'm good for emojis for a while, and I say that, but I've already got my cart full for her anniversary or her birthday sale that's coming up. All right, so let's move on to my next piece of Happy Mail. The second part of my haul is from AccordingToAli, and I absolutely love how she hand letters our names on the envelope. So this was the second order that I have from AccordingToAli. So I'll just take it out of the bag. There we go, and I absolutely love her packaging. I think it's just such a nice touch to it. So let's open that up and see what I got. The first thing, oh, of course I ordered another one of those, but she included this, so I'll zoom in. These are the, I guess, the new samplers that come with every release. So I like that there's the coffee in there, the fry, and her AccordingToAli logo. So I will definitely be using these the next time I purchase something from her shop, which will be very soon, I'm sure. Then she also included this little die cut sticker, I believe. I think it's a vinyl sticker. I don't want to take it apart if it's not, but I love that. Just the word planner in her lettering. Really beautiful. Now for her sticker. So I bought a second sheet of this iced coffee because one was just not going to be enough. And then I bought this neutral alcohol ink, and I bought 2 of them in the black because if I'm going to decorate all 3 of my planners to match, I need 2 of these sheets. They're gorgeous. And then I bought this notes, so you can, I think this will be really good just in general, like bullet journaling or anything, and I love the color of them. And then lastly, I bought cacti. I love this, and I think that it'll be great for the summer. I love the tones, and I could see myself really using that and mixing that with Tombos or mild liners. So there is my haul from AccordingToAli. I love that her stickers are all hand drawn. I mean, I love that these, like actually all of these are on transparent paper because it makes it look like they were printed for the page, that the planner came like that. So I'm now trying to decide which one I'm going to use in my planner next week. All right, so that is from AccordingToAli. So I got 2 more little packages in the mail today for my planner haul. The first from PaperBitsCo, my first ever order from her. And then from Daniella on Instagram sent me some Happy Mail. So I'm going to be opening these right away here. I love the sticker that you put on the back, Daniella, and one of the things that I have loved actually about the planner community on Instagram is just the kindest people that I have met. So Daniella and I have been chatting about like different planner systems that we're using, and she's noticed how much I'm using TheCoffeeMonsterzCo. So she sent me, oh my gosh, sent me a whole bunch here, and I just love the note. Oh, I hope you enjoy the goodies. I've really appreciated chatting with you and getting to know you better. Daniella, me too, me too. So these are the pop-up laptops in gray. Oh, I see how they work. So you actually take them up and then put them down, and then you fold the laptop over. I love that. And then you get the same in the pastels, YouTube emojis, YouTuber emojis, Rise and Shine. I feel like those are for my early days. Cozy reading. Oh yes, I will definitely use the cozy reading. Heart steamy mugs. Oh, and laundry. I can never ever have enough of the laundry emoji. So that is so kind of you to send that to me, Daniela. So again, pop-up laptop in gray and pastel. The YouTuber emojis, which I'm excited for. Rise and Shine. Cozy reading. I love all the different colorways, but also there's patterns on these. I'm going to zoom in.
if you can see that some of the blankets actually have patterns on them. So there's like a polka dot, little flowers, a grid. So the detail in these is just amazing. So thank you so much, Daniella. So I will move on to the PaperBitsCo haul. So this is my first time ever ordering from PaperBitsCo, and I don't know who recommended her, but I think I found her because she was a shop in the Made in Canada collaboration sale, which is happening at the end of July, and then she had another sale at the beginning of July, so I thought I might as well try out her cute stickers for anyone who likes the ASMR. There we go. Perfect. All right, so let's get that out of the way. First thing I got was this really cute washi, which I will zoom into. And it's got the hand-drawn florals with the pink background, and then you've got the silver foil of the moon and the stars. Really, really pretty. So next, I've got a little card here. So this is my, oh, I get rewards. Oh, how cute. So collect 15 paper airplanes and get 1 full-size sticker sheet for free on your next order. Awesome. And then these paper airplanes are in the corner of the sticker sheets. I love the card that this comes in. Like, how adorable is that? I mean, you could probably cut that out and use that as a die cut. So I love the touches like that. So let me just see. Oh yeah, and then shows how to redeem your order. So the first thing I got is this, I think it was a sampler. Can you guys see that? I'm gonna zoom in. So you've got the sampler with the working, the coffee, the crying pencil, what you're listening to, idea, mail, and the food. And I like these. I think I've seen Theory of Lauren using some of these, and I like those. So then the next one is, I believe another, I think this was the freebie that came with it. So you've got the cleaning, the coffee, reading, plants, eye mask, waking up early, the water, and the heart. And then her brush lettering with meditate, stay hydrated, and declutter. So then the next one that I bought was more of like a beach or travel one. Sorry for that here. So then you've got the luggage, and I love that. Is that like a an inner tube with a swan, the drink? So this will be very useful for our trip in December. And then we've got the working girl. I like this one because I have to admit they kind of look like me when I was a kid. Me with the pigtails. So I had to get these. And then I love these, the sticky notes with the paper clip on the top. And then lastly, Bear movie night as a couple. My husband and I have our movie nights almost every night, so I absolutely thought these were essential. So there is my overall haul. The first from AccordingToAli, the second from CoffeeMonsterzCo, the third Happy Mail from an Instagram planner friend, Daniella, more CoffeeMonsterzCo stickers, and then lastly my first ever order from PaperBitsCo. If you guys like videos like this, please let me know, because I do love showcasing and showing off smaller sticker shops, because I think these smaller sticker shops do such an amazing job, and there's so much hard work in the background that we don't always know about, so I love being able to share them. Alright, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.